TCL Productions. I see some shitheads hating again, steady talking some sad crap, so I'ma spit some mad rap. How I exited the game when I was taking a break. Francis took a piss, I'm back cupcake, here to partake. Markets were popping, your boy wasn't stopping, I was balls deep. I was in the studio with Dev, getting no sleep. I had no Z's to all you phonies. Like you bank mad coin, but you drop dead from a new disease. I'm the realest tuber fuck SEO. Troopers know my mean flow. Viewers in Torino say I'm the new Galileo. Go live in the ride, driving with my seat low. Haters in the live chat saying he's a scammer, that's silly. Yo Billy, you wish you could drive that, so go suck my willy. I'm counting this milli. Provide that, I was hitting blunts for 6 months. On the couch watching Netflix, took a break from you pricks cunts. Munchies noodles with chopsticks, it's me who your chick wants. You little fuck boy. So watch now, watching 2023. Landholder in Sandbox, you're gonna see plenty of me. I'm Bach G, colder than ice box, so listen tentatively. Better keep your eyes on TCL, cause that bull run coming soon. Metaverse landlord is what my fans roared. A better verse will never leave the man's board. Get a hearse, ship him in a coffin, cause I have plans stored. That's 1 billion in a couple of years. These tubers are fake, I leave them in tears. Used as preschoolers, I've been doing that from time, it's been years. Have them stressed out at the bar singing cheers. You little fucker. So let's be honest, you ain't flexing like we do. You owe debts and can't take a piss if you need to. That's soulless, it's what you chose, so proceed to. TCL HQ, banking us mad coin, we gonna be eating seafood. Yo, who's this? Hey, TCL, I'm the CEO of Shell Finance. We'd like to pay you $25,000 for a review video. Nah, fuck that shit. Let me cut that shit. A project said they'll pay me. I said, get lost, bitch. Try to move to Antigua and some prick rock my shit. And those who try to use me the last 2 years, you can suck my dick. Yo, took some advice, now I'm telling you precise. Tier 1 and Tier 2, this Sandbox experience look nice. Brands and music artists will rent the space, let's take it to new heights. I spent beer loot on it, but gee, that's the crypto life. Only true TCL is gonna get a cut of the price. Later.